Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Nikki and I have a great video today. So my first video was a hit. Everyone loved it. All of you loved my CBD vape review. It was my first time and it was quite interesting. I wanted to try another. I said I was going to try it again and try another type of brand. So I'm so happy because Pure CBD Vapors just sent me to try, so graciously sent me to try their new Americana brand. And I was so hyped. I was like, yes, let's do this, because I was going to do it anyways, but I'm so excited to try this. I bought from this company before and they have awesome stuff. They have all different kinds of CBD stuff, and I researched a couple before I went to go choose which website to purchase my CBD anything in, and I chose this site. It's called www.purecbdvapors.com. I'll leave all the information down below in the description box just so you can check it out. Here it is. They sent me a package. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. When I opened the bag, I was like, interesting. The smell is very it's like earthy, and just from opening the bag, you could smell the potency. I was like, damn. So here it is. It's called Americana Uncut 650 mg/Gs. It looks like these. Looks like this. You know, something's wrong with my light. On the other videos, I've been noticing that I put it more closer and it starts getting darker. So here we go. That's it. Let me block myself. It is, look at the top. It has a leaf and it says OG. I'm assuming it means organic. And so if it's not, then let me know. So Americana Uncut, made in the USA. Okay. All right, size 510 thread. Okay. Our mission, beautiful mission. Each batch certified lab tested by our farm. Sales at americancut.com. Ingredients: raw organic non-GMO raw decarboxylated hemp. Organic fuel spectrum CBD extract cannabinoid profile comprised of plant sterols. I said cannabinoid right. Yes. Organic natural here we go. It's getting me. Organic natural terpenes, I think, added for flavor. No chemicals of any kind, no PEG, CO2 extracted. So this is the oil. And this is the pen. 3 clicks to adjust voltage. So there's 3 types of voltages. There's the red 3.6V, the blue 3.1V, and the white 2.7V. This is 380 mAh, max battery, 5 clicks to turn on and off. 2 clicks to preheat. Hold for 15 seconds. Oh, 2 clicks to preheat, hold for 15 seconds. Okay, so, alright, I understand this now. Sorry, I'm totally new to this, so let's try this out. So first thing I'm gonna do is, maybe, you know what, I'm gonna turn the camera around so I can show you up close what this looks like. I think that's a good idea. And then I'll turn it back around to do the actual testing. Okay, and we're back, zoomed up and close. This is, don't you love my new phone case? I just had to show it off. It is a Medusa art. What is this called? Contemporary art? I don't know. It's beautiful. It's my Medusa phone case. It is absolutely beautiful. It's my favorite. I just got it. Anyways, never mind that. This is the Americana brand. you couldn't see well before, this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna open this first because that's what I want to do. Push. Push it. Push it. Okay. There we go. We pushed. Oh, that's really cute. And here we go. Look at this. So beautiful. That's really nice. I'm gonna take it out now. See? Yes. Let's zoom up a little bit. Uncut. That's what it says. It says auncut.com. But this is how much is in here. I guess when I put it, actually it's a decent amount. Look, it's filled up to like basically before the A. Like, I'm just tilting it, so that's why it looks like it's lower, but if you see the back, it looks full, so it just, it's nice. Okay, so we're gonna put that in here for now. I'm gonna open the, see it says 3 clicks to adjust voltage, 2 clicks to preheat, hold for 15 seconds, and 5 clicks to turn on and off. All right, here we go. Nice. Very nice. We got this charger, which is interesting. I've never seen this before. It's like a USB charger. You see? Look at that. And here is the device. I don't even know what this is called, but this is the device that you... Oh, this is like... Oh! Okay, so you plug that in here. Like that. And then you charge it. And it's bendable. And it doesn't just like stick out like a hard stick or the other one I had. This is really interesting. Interesting. I love it. Okay. So let's take that out. Put that over here. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take this end piece off. There we go. Let me smell it. It smells good. It smells really good. And I'm going to turn it on. Get this baby on like that. There we go. Wow. Wow. Very nice. So next is 5 clicks to turn on. So I assume it's on. There we go. Got it. Now I'm gonna preheat this thing and then turn the camera back around to me because I want to try it. I'm so excited. Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. I'm back. I am back. I'm so excited to try it. I pressed it on like you saw. And now, what did it say? Why do I have short-term memory at the moment? This is crazy. 2 clicks to preheat. Hold for 15 seconds. Okay, so 1, 2, and hold for 15 seconds. 2, 3, 4. 13, 14, 15, 16. Did you hear that? It went psst. Okay. All right. Now let's try it. Wow. OMG. 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 Oh my gosh, it has a nicer, what's that called? Clouds, has nicer clouds, and it's very interesting. It tastes really good. Better than the other one. The other one was okay. Let's try it again. I don't want it to take too much in, but I really want to make big clouds, but it's really nice. I don't know why, I just got like instantly happy. This was really cool. Let's try again. Let me take a breath of regular air first. Okay, ready. It has that sizzling sound. It's nice. This tastes so much better. I really like it. It's like earthy yet not overwhelming, and I don't know, it's just different from the other one. Way different. Way different. Let's try again. So I see the residue of the smoke vape in the air. Interesting, because the light is shining, so I see it. This feels really nice. I don't feel the same as I felt before with the other one, which is very interesting to know. I feel good. I don't feel like weird. Before the other one, I don't know, maybe because it was the flavor that made it weird, that made me feel weird. I don't know if this has a flavor or anything. This might be just pure natural stuff. Obviously it's organic. I don't know what's the difference, but it's totally different. I really, really enjoy this. Let me try again. It's like making me a tad bit silly, unless I'm already like that already and I'm just happy. I don't know. I'm happy every day. It's just this is interesting. I like it. I like the flavor. I really enjoy it. This is awesome. I highly recommend this. You have to try it. Seriously. Uncut.com. That's where you can get it if you're interested. I don't know if you can see. Uncut.com. This, I'm gonna look into like more of these, see if they have different flavors, but you know, I gotta check it out. I gotta do more research on it to see what else they have. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it right now because I'm interested. I'm interested. Let's see. Let's see if I could put you on the side over here and so you can see with me. I have to screen record. All right. So let's go to what's it called? Uncut.com. Okay. Hold on, wait a minute. Feel my heart's attention. Hey, hold on, wait a minute. I left my consciousness in the 5th dimension. Have you heard that song? It's by Willow Smith. It's like lit. It is. I was jamming to that song today, doing my makeup, all that stuff. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna link that song down below. I love, love, love that song. It's awesome. I've been singing it all day. So here we go. Organic full spectrum CBD. Extract cannabinoid. Exclusively sold on purecbdvapors.com. So you could only get this on purecbdvapors.com. Okay, just letting you know. Americana Uncut, the most popular CBD, is really good. It is really good. This quality is really, really, really good. So let's see the side. Ingredients are okay. So that's it. This is it. I'm gonna click raw organic and it's gonna bring me here. I don't care. You know what? You don't even need a flavor. You don't even need a flavor. This tastes really good. Like the naturalness of this is ridiculous. I didn't turn off the screen record, did I? The The naturalness of this is ridiculous. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I just feel happy. I feel silly happy but chill. I'm not like really vibe chill down, but I'm just like you know. I don't know how to explain it, but you can see through my actions from this video. Basically, this is my review on this. I never tried this before. I really like this more than the first CBD vape pen I got. I really enjoy this. I will probably continue getting this as well. I let go of the of the button too fast. Whoops. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pure CBD Vapors, for giving me a chance to try this. It is absolutely delicious. I absolutely love it. And I would totally buy this basically for my brothers because I know they vape, and I would get this again. I literally would. And if you're interested in checking this out or buying one for yourself to try, I will put all the information down below. So go down there and the link will be down there. And it's basically absolutely divine. I'm telling you. I'm seriously. If it wasn't, I'll tell you. Seriously. So you're going to go to uncut.com. This is where I went to search to get this. Or actually, this is, I don't know if you buy this on uncut.com. I think you should go to www.purecbdvapors.com because they have just like even more than this. They got edibles and balms and rubs and all that stuff, and I'm gonna take a peek at that later and see if I could buy a couple of things from there. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the mood for buying stuff. You know, sometimes you just feel like you're in the mood for buying stuff, and I'm in that mood quite often every single week. So it happens. You know, you gotta live life. You know, you gotta live life. You only live once in this lifetime. Enjoy yourself. Buy the stuff that you like. You know, like money will always come somehow if you grind for it. You know, you gotta hustle and do your thing, and things will just happen. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, be happy, get what you want. Buy. Shop therapy. I highly, totally agree with shop therapy. On that note, beyond me rambling right now, jibber jabber rambling like I always do. If you like my jibber jabber rambles, let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I really love doing these videos for you. I will see you next time. Bye.
That's good.